Awuhum Waterfall, Nigeria's hidden gem of nature and faith, nestled within the serene hills of Udi local government area in Enugu state. This is one of Nigeria's most enchanting natural wonders. Awuhum Waterfall, also known as Awhum. This 30-meter high cascade is more than just a breathtaking sight. It's a sanctuary of spirituality, history, and natural beauty. Formed from a massive granite outcrop, Awuhum Waterfall flows year-round, with sections of its waters remaining warm regardless of the season. Locals and pilgrims alike believe that these waters possess healing properties and the power to ward off evil spirits. But even though as a Christian, I do not really believe this. I feel this is just nature. But what do I know? Let's just find out. Journey to the waterfall is a pilgrimage in itself. A 50 minutes walk through the lush greenery accompanied by the melodies of bird songs and rustling leaves. This path leads not only to the falls but also to a profound spiritual experience. Adjacent to the waterfall stands the Our Lady of Mount Calvary monastery, established in the 1970s, which was later incorporated into the Trappist order in 1978. The monastery serves as both guardian and guide for visitors, overseeing the sacred site and offering accommodation for pilgrims seeking reflection and prayer. Within a cave near the waterfall, visitors encounter statues of the Blessed Virgin Mary, creating for them an atmosphere of reverence. Legends speak of the cave's protective powers during the Nigerian Civil War, where locals found refuge, believing the caves to be indestructible by bombs. Many come to Awuhum to collect its water, seeking physical healing and spiritual cleansing. The belief in the water's creative powers has transformed the site into a prominent destination for religious tourism in Nigeria. I don't believe this to be anything sort of being religious. Feel it's nature that should just be enjoyed. Obviously, nature created by God, and I am also not against them doing any religious activities there. Beyond its spiritual significance, Awuhum offers visitors a chance to connect with nature. The surrounding area hosts pristine lakes, streams, and diverse flora and fauna, making it a heaven for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Awuhum Waterfall is more than a natural attraction. It's a place where the nature and spirituality intertwine, offering solace, inspiration, and a glimpse into Nigeria's rich cultural tapestry. Whether you seek adventure, healing, or reflection, Awuhum welcomes you with open hands. So besties, join me, let's go on this adventure together.
You finally made it here. I'm Bambi Eyes, and I'm so happy that you clicked on my channel. This is a fun-loving space, and I know you're going to love it. So sit back and enjoy. Let's see what has in store for us. So, besties, we're on our way.
People wear no dress well.
For who no dress well.
Kimono, wrapper,
okay, so we can start.
Cover yourself.
Okay. It's time to dress in this.
This is a monastery.
Oh, can you calm down? Okay. So we're heading to the mountain trails right now. Quite mountainous. When I'm going to move this in, I'm already sweating safe. Okay, I think it's when we pass that gate. This auntie don't have chill. The promised land, children of Israelites. Let me just take. Thank you. The sky is so bright. The sun is not for the weak. If you guys can see a glimpse of it. This is the monastery that is like taking care of and maintaining the waterfall. Just like don't like it. Okay. So make it very clean. So get ready. Rude. Like the view is so beautiful and breathtaking.
Enugu has a good landscape and vegetation.
So are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
It's getting slopey now, and my leg is paining me.
Mama, this is not for the weak. I don't think I'm going to come here again, though. Because this again is not for the weak, I beg. My leg is giving out. God, I beg, oh. Okay. Guy, if it's horror movie now, they'll start giving that sound, that weird sound. We're entering the evil forest.
Thank you yourself. On our way to Awhum Waterfall.
I'm going to evil forest.
Water flows down here. We've not gotten to the waterfall actually. Water just flows down here. Oh my God, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, this is still another sauce.
Which of them? I'll go about the people so I will not open your, man, the better your name.
Yes, everything.
Picture. No picture, please send it to me. I'll be your DM. I'm not done in your DM, I'll be in the group. Send it to me.
I'm walking on water. Like our Lord Jesus Christ. Wow, this water is cold. And I was going to hold me. Let this no current not carry me. Yeah, you think water can carry you? Water can carry somebody. It's very cold though. So this is my first waterfall and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it and behold its beauty. That's why it's good to wear shorts. So just imagine where this water is reaching me. I swear. Dude, the walls of here are waiting. This is like ancient place because see, I go look at. Do you know how this is formed? I swear, egg of life.
From here, huh? Go back.
Hey, so this one is what? This one is just cave.
You don't need to go back.
The point of no return. If you want to leave now.
So this is the point of no return. You left me.
No, that's what they don't know.
Yeah, that's the point where you decide whether you're going or you're going forward or backward. If you go forward after here, you want to go backward. God will strike you.
The real God will strike you. The God of Odumodu and Amadioha will strike you. So this is welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, subscribe, click, like, share, comment. I beg. Now money will hustle for comment.
Our movie is coming out very soon on YouTube, okay?
Actually, I here with Mother Mary. Yes, live with Mother Mary. If he is the runner.
Who be that?
I've not even slept.
Did you video or did you not? So we are inside the Awhum cave, Awhum waterfall. We are about to see the waterfall. I can hear the sound, yes? And it's giving goosebumps though.
Finally, I'm here. I've been reading about this place. I've been seeing it on social media. And now, yeah.
You've not been here before.
No, I've not been here before.
So wait, For real, I'm the black. Anyway, I am very black here. I cannot even recognize myself.
I can hear the water rushing. Rushing so fast. Where are you running to? Why are you running? If you are not careful, this can carry you. If you are not careful, what you love? It should be going down. I was careful.
Yeah, bad.
This is so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. Like, how did you form? How did you come about? So I'm in Awuhum Waterfall. This is so surreal. Like, I've been bookmarking this place since, so I'm finally there. I'm so excited. As an explorer, somebody that loves adventure, someone that loves to travel, you know it's like a dream come true for every traveler, every adventurer, every explorer. I'm so happy. Yes, bro. Awuhum Waterfall. Welcome to Awuhum Waterfall. Okay, Habibi, welcome to Awuhum Waterfall. 1991, since 1991, that this place was commissioned under the Catholic Society and the Calvary and the Works. And 2nd July, 2 days before my birthday. Water. I'll fetch the holy water. That's what I'm going to do. After everybody has done with their shenanigans, I'll fetch the If your phone is not waterproof today, it's today. Nigerians to write my name here. I'm too Nigerian to write my name because
Guys, I'm not the best of the It's actually fun. I enjoyed myself. And don't forget to subscribe,
yes,
comment, like, and share.
very important.
Very, very important.
Yes.
This is Brown Sugar Poppy on Instagram, and I'm signing out.
Bye. Bye. Besties, climbing up back is very stressful. I'm breathing, my body telling me shut down. I'm so tired. Like coming back is not for the weak. You can see as I'm breathing, I'm so tired. My chest is paining me. My whole body is paining me. I'm not going to do this again. I swear. This is not. Oh Jesus, this is not for the weak. I'm so tired. I wish I'm so close. I've been walking for like close to an hour now. I'm tired. Hell, Jesus. Oh no, I've escaped. I've escaped. Oh, Jesus, I've escaped. Thank God though, this work is not for the weak, I beg. It's not for the weak at all. It's not. Besties, so I'm finally back to base. I'm so tired, I'm so stressed, I'm everything. Like my body is paining me, my head is aching me. Like I didn't know the hike is going to be like this. Anything that has to do with hiking, please, nobody should call me. I'm not coming. I just had to rest and chill. I'm licking ice cream now. Let my body cool down, please. I'm a soft girl. I'm not ready for any stress. I don't think I'm going to come back here again. I might say I will not come back, but the adventurer in me will want to come back. But for now, I don't think I'm coming there. See, I haven't gotten dark. Upon the sunscreen I rub, I beg. I've done my best for today. Please, you all see the stress I went through to do this video. Please, you all like, comment, share, subscribe too, so you keep seeing more and more episodes from me, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And basically that's it. So bye besties.